What's up, neighbors? Welcome back to DIY Makes Sense. My name is Regina, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all my top favorite thrifted finds. Now, I don't like paying retail for everything, and if I can avoid it, I will. So everything in today's video came from the Facebook Marketplace. Let's get into my top favorite thrifted finds. So in no particular order, first up are my faux wood blinds. Before buying my home, in the house hunting process, and a lot of the homes have regular mini blinds, which is fine, but some of them had faux wood blinds, and at the time I didn't really know what they were. So I'm taking pictures because I need to go to the store to find out what kind of blinds they are and how much they cost. And I soon discovered that the size that I need were $130. I ain't got it. I'm not paying $130 for one blind for one window. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am, not me. So you know what? I said I need to slow down. I need to go a different route. So let me check out some secondhand stores, the marketplace, and hopefully I'll get lucky. And what surprised me was I was finding blinds brand new in the box, anywhere from $10 to $25. I was like, wait, what? Now that's right up my alley. These blinds are easy to install. They upgrade my windows beautifully. And whenever I find them on a discount, that's a win-win for me. Now, next up are these lounge chairs. When I first moved into my house and I had my living room laid out a certain way, it was so ugly. It was terrible. The layout listen, I had to change it around. And when I finally did, I needed chairs all of a sudden. So I'm on the hunt and I found these. Beautiful. They honestly look like they belong in a fancy hotel. I find these two chairs listed online, $50 for two of them. Now, I don't know how much this chair costs retail, but I found some very similar and they range anywhere from $6,000 to $18,000. Now, I don't know exactly how much these chairs are, but I know they're not $25 a piece. So these chairs right here were a steal. Now, next up is this huge artificial tree. I don't have a green thumb at all. I don't. I'm working on it though. So I'm not good at taking care of plants, but I love plants in my house. And I already know a plant like this is over $400. I already know that. I've looked into a lot of artificial plants and trees, so I already know the price of this is really expensive. And I found it on the marketplace listed for only $50. That's it. I contact the lady. I'm like, please let this still be available. Please don't let somebody be on the way picking it up. So I'm reaching out to the seller. Please tell me this item is still available. Someone was supposed to pick it up yesterday, but they didn't come. You can come get it now. What? Girl, hold on. Let me get my things. I'll be right back, y'all. I gotta go. That'll do it. I did not even try to haggle with that woman. You want $50? You gonna get this cash. This tree for me was such a good buy. I have it in my den in the corner. It just brings life to my space. It really does something to my mood. So this tree right here was one of my best thrifted finds. One of my best, probably my best. Probably, I'm gonna say was my best thrifted find. Done. Now, next up is my Dorset sofa, and I actually got this from a woman that stages homes. She had it listed for $130, so I went to go see it. It had a couple stains, but overall, it was in pretty good condition, so I decided to buy it. So once I get it home, I wash the cushion covers, I treat the stains, and I steam clean the entire thing. And to me, it's pretty much good as new. Now, I found this same exact sofa listed online for over $3,000. This was on sale for $1,600. But by thrifting this beauty right here, I saved over 90%. Not bad. Now, if you follow my channel, you've seen this next item. It is my dresser, which I later turned into a TV cabinet, entertainment center, whatever you want to call it. It was listed for $180. Can you believe that? I mean, it's beautiful, but what they've done to it, I knew there was some room for negotiation. So I reach out to the young lady. I negotiate the price from $180 all the way down to $70. And on top of that, she threw in the matching nightstand. Win-win. I saw right through that green and white chalk paint. I'm looking at the bones. I need that dresser. I'm going to restore that back to the beautiful piece that I know that it once was. That dresser's mine. Now, years later, after doing some research, I found out that this dresser originally retailed for $800. I made out with this thing. And also, if you haven't seen my video on me restoring this dresser, you have got to check it out. It don't look like this no more. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Now, I am always on the hunt for some wall decor, and I love me a good mirror. So when I saw this on the marketplace, I jumped on it. And it was only listed for $20. Now, you can't really tell how big it is from looking at this picture, but this is how big it is. Oh, this thing went home with me real quick. I was so excited to get this to the house. Now, I did a little bit of research, and although I wasn't able to find the exact mirror that I got, I found one that was similar, and it was listed for $150. But it's not as big as the one that I have. So I don't know the retail price of my mirror, but I know it ain't $20. Now, the funniest thing about this mirror is that it don't even have a home yet. I don't know where I'm gonna hang it up. Right now, it's sitting on the floor in my dining room, and it's gonna stay there till I figure it out. It's okay. She's still mine. Now, last on my list is this huge metal Sunburst. I love wall decor. Y'all know that. And this is another piece I got from someone who stages homes. She only had it listed for $10. Am I looking at this right? This say $10. Okay, Mike. Girl, you ain't gotta tell me twice. Now, I couldn't find this exact item online, but I found some similar, and they ranged anywhere from $100 to $200. But they weren't like mine. Mine was huge. This thing has gotta be over $300. Gotta be. So when I saw it listed for $10, it was a no-brainer. This thing coming home with me. So I'm sitting here editing this video, right? And I thought to myself, girl, you done forgot about your doors. So these are honorable mention. If you've never priced a door before, don't. Thrift them instead. You're much better off. I mean, check out all these doors at my local restore warehouse. My doors were old, and I've been able to replace them all, saving a bunch of money doing so. I normally pay anywhere between $10 to $15 per door versus $50 to $90 for the one I wanted. I was able to replace all the doors in my house for the same price it would cost for one brand new door. I've been doing all y'all a disservice if I didn't talk about this honorable mention. Now let's wrap this video up. You know, I really love thrifting and secondhand shopping. And honestly, now is the perfect time to be out there looking, because soon people are going to be moving. They got to get out of them houses. They got to clear out them apartments. They're going to be getting rid of a lot of stuff. So if you're looking for home decor or anything else, you're almost guaranteed to get something on a really good price, if not for free. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this encourages you guys to get out in your own communities and find treasures of your own. Hold on. Yes, it's available. Can you come get it now? Oh, okay. I gotta go. I got another deal to catch. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.